This is a video showing how to drill into stone in preparation for installing a Borg Overström tap. Whenever you can, dry drilling is always preferable as it's much quicker and creates much less mess. The drill bit we will be using is a Ruby Dry Gris M14 dry diamond angle grinder bit. You can purchase an adapter to use this with a drill, however the extra RPM an angle grinder offers allows for much more efficient cutting. You will also need a vacuum cleaner to take care of dust. Pair this with a suction hose dust attachment like this and you will keep dust down to a minimum during the cut, while assisting as a guide for your core when starting the cutting process. You will also require relevant PPE such as gloves, protective glasses, dust mask and ear protection. Firstly, we want to use the installation template to locate and mark where the hole needs to be. After the hole is marked and we know where we want to cut, we can place the suction hose attachment over the area to collect dust and act as a guide for the core. When you start drilling, ensure you lift away often and let the core piece do the work and avoid pushing too hard. You want to keep the drill bit cool and avoid overheating, as this is what causes the diamonds to fall away and the drill bit to wear out. You can also damage the worktop you're working on if you push too hard. Cutting through ceramic can take a few minutes, so be patient and take your time. You want to do a small circular wiggle motion. This will help with heat dissipation and airflow. Continue cutting with a slight wiggle motion, taking regular breaks, lifting away from the surface until you have made it through to the other side. Once complete, you can vacuum up the mess and clean the surface with a damp cloth, being aware that the surface could be hot directly after cutting. Your tap can now be installed.